Hi, in today's video I will show you how to watch Mist Zoom meeting. So to do that, uh, you need to sign in to the Zoom desktop client, like that one, and then click on Team Chat tab, this one on the top, and then what you gotta do is to click the Mist meeting call button, this one. It will be right here, listed with this ones. Um, they said a list of all your recently missed meetings invitation are listed when you click on the button, and if the missed call was from a meeting created from a chat channel, the chat channel or group chat will be listed too. If the meeting does not correspond to a chat group or channel, the user inviting you to the meeting will be listed. Multiple missed calls from the same contact or group will be designated in parentheses. Hover over the missed invite to see additional options. Chat button. Jump to the contact group, chat, or channel that initiated the meeting. Allows you to respond to the missed invitation. Also, video meeting button. Start a meeting and invite the contact, group chat, or channel originally in the meeting. However, you will find phone call button too. Call the contact through Zoom phone. Requires Zoom phone service to have this option. And I guess guys that's the solution. And if you found that video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for watching.